Hello everyone, my name is Hadil and this is Generative Color and Texture. When I first learned generative art, I was over the moon by the possibilities of procedural creations, but only when I started to push for out-of-the-box ideas is when I began developing a style. Whenever I learn a new technique, I go back to old sketches and implement them, figuring out how to amalgamate the two projects. This course will discuss how you can deliver depth and semi-realism in your work with easy-to-implement texturing and coloring methods. I created 8 different lessons on ways you can texturize and color your generative design, and one final project showcasing the combination of multiple procedures in one final artwork. In 4 of the lessons, we'll examine 4 ways to add texture to your work, from resembling hand-drawn shapes to adding simple graphic drop-down shadows. And finally, not to discount a perfectly randomized color palette, but in this course, I'll show you 4 coloring techniques that will elevate your work to the next level. We'll create a complete artwork from scratch for each method, demonstrating how I thought of employing them and giving you application ideas. I think that's enough for an introduction, so let's get started.